Good morning, students all. Last class we finished up to problem number 12. Problem number 13 you see. A voltmeter reads 4 volt when connected to a parallel plate capacitor with air as a dielectric. When the dielectric slab is introduced between the plates for the same configuration, voltmeter reads 2 volt. What is the dielectric constant of the material? So there is parallel plate capacitor. One voltmeter is connected to it. That voltmeter is showing reading of the voltmeter is 4 volt. Now what we did? We introduced one dielectric between the plates like this. Now voltmeter it is connected. Now voltmeter reading is 2 volt. What is the dielectric constant of this dielectric? That is the question. So here dielectric will be formula V air by V medium. This is the formula. V air value will be 4. V medium value they gave it as 2 volt. 4 by 2 means 2. So dielectric constant value is equal to 2. So 13th question it will be second option. Clear? Next 14th one. Two capacitors 10 microfarad and 20 microfarad are connected to 200 volt and 100 volt sources respectively. If they are connected by a wire, what is the common potential of the capacitors? We discussed this one in the synopsis. When two capacitors having different capacities, having potential different potential differences are connected connected by a wire, then common potential formula V is equal to C1 V1 plus C2 V2 by C1 plus C2. This is the formula. Here C1 V1 means this value 10 into 10 power minus 6, C 10 microfarad, it is at 200 volt. C2 value will be 20 microfarad, it is at a voltage of 100 volt, and this value 10 plus 20 into 10 power minus 6. 10 power minus 6 we can cancel. This will be 2000, that will be also 2000. So 4000 by 30. 400 by 3. 133.3 volt. Okay. 14th it will be first option. Next. 15. A parallel plate capacitor is charged and then isolated. The effect of increasing the plate separation on charge, potential and capacitance will be how much? So what will happen? Charge remains constant because we are not giving additional charge. What we are doing? Just we are increasing the separation. So charge remains constant. So 15th C. This is a parallel plate capacitor. We increased the plate separation like this. So charge will be same. So Q value will be constant. We know C is equal to A epsilon naught by D. Distance is increasing means capacity will decreases. So capacity will decreases. Capacity decreases, C is equal to QV, Q by V. Charge constant. Capacity decreasing means this is increasing. So what will happen? Q is constant, V is increasing, C value will decreases. So 15th, it will be third option. Next, 16. A spherical shell of radius 10 centimeter. Spherical shell of radius 10 centimeter is carrying a charge. If the electric potential at a distance 5 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter from the center of the spherical shell are V1, V2 and V3. What is the relation between them? There is a spherical shell like this. What is its radius? 10 centimeter. Here at 5 centimeter, its potential is V1. At 10 centimeter means on the surface, potential is V2. At 15 centimeter, potential is V3. What is the relation between these potentials? That is the question. So inside the spherical shell, potential will be same only. On the surface, how much potential will be there? Inside also, same potential will be there. So V1 value is equal to V2. This point is outside. Distance is more. So potential will be less. This V1, V2 value that will be greater than V3. So the relation between them is V1, V2 will be same. V3 value will be less when comparing to V1 and V2. So we will get the first option for this. Okay. Next. Question number 17 you see 3 point charges. 3 nanocoulomb, 6 nanocoulomb and 9 nanocoulomb are placed at the corners of an equilateral triangle of side 0.1 meter. The potential energy of the system is how much? So, what is that? See, there is an equilateral triangle. At the 3 corners of an equilateral triangle, 3 charges are placed. I am assuming it as Q1 3 nanocoulomb, Q2 6 nanocoulomb, Q3 this will be 9 nanocoulomb. Side is 0.1 meter. What is the potential energy of the system? So what is the formula? Already we discussed this model in the synopsis. PE is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by here R is same only plus Q2 Q3 by R23 Q3 Q1 by R31. This value is also equilateral triangle. Sides will be same. So if we substitute these values, PE is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught means 9 into 10 power 9. Q1, Q2 if you take this multiplication 3 into 6, 18. 10 power minus 18. Minus 9 will comes. So it becomes minus 18. By this distance value will be 0.1. Q2, Q3, 6 into 9, this value will be 54 into 10 power minus 18 by 0.1. Q3, Q1, 9 into 3, 27 into 10 power minus 18 by 0.1. Why 10 power minus 18 is coming? 10 power minus 9 into 10 power minus 9. It becomes 10 power minus 18. If we calculate this, 9 into 10 power 9 into 10 power minus 17. Here this is 10 power minus 1. Minus 1 minus 18 cancels means minus 17. 15 plus 54 plus 27. the sum will be 99. Okay, so this value 9 into 99 into 10 power minus 8. This multiplication will be 891 into 10 power minus 8 or 8190 into 10 power minus 9 joules. So 17, it will be second option. Clear? Simple problems only. Next, 18th you see. Some plates are given. Here, totally 4 plates are given. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4. Here this is X. These two are connected. And they named this plate as Y. Then what is the effective capacitance of this system? X and Y, what is the effective capacitance? So X place first plate is there na? Write 1 here. 1. Next, last plate will be Y. So that is 3. 2, 4 are connected, means these two are at the same potential. So write 2, 4. Understanding? Between these 2 points we need to calculate. So what we are doing, this is first one. These two are connected na? So this is last one. First last you write down. In between them, these 2, 4 are connected, that you write down. This will be one capacitor. Between 1 and 2, 2 plates are there. So that will be one capacitor. 1 and 4. So many 2 plates are there. That is not a capacitor. So no need to consider 1 and 4. 1 and 3. No capacitor. Because another plate is there. 2 and 3, 1 capacitor. Next 4 and 3, 1 capacitor. 4 and 3, 1 capacitor. Are you understanding these models? So what happened? What to do? Once again I will explain. Between these 2 plates you have to find. So that is X place 1. Plate 1 is there, Y place plate 3 is there. These two are connected. So what will happen? So 2, 4 are at the same potential. Now what to do? Consider this is a capacitor. 1 to 2, 1 capacitor. 1 to 4 is not a capacitor because other metal plates are there. This over 1 to 3 is not a capacitor because 2 is there in between them. Next 2 to 3, 1 capacitor. This one. 4 to 3, 1 capacitor. Like this. All are identical. C, C, C. So what will happen? This is C. This will be 2C. These two are parallel, na? That's why we can write it as 2C. These two are in series. Effective will be how much? C dash is equal to C into 2C by C plus 2C, C into 2C by 3C. So 2C by 3, 2 by 3 into capacity formula A epsilon naught by D. That is equal to 2 by 3 A epsilon naught by D. Okay. Like this, these models will be there. One more model we will discuss, just for your understanding. So 18th, what is the option means? Second option, 2a epsilon naught by 3. 2a epsilon naught by 3d, second option, 18th question. For example, 5 metal plates are there. 2 and 4 are connected. Between this is X, this is Y. Find the effective capacitance. What to do? First one. This is 5. Understanding? 2, 4 are connected. Next, 3 is also there. So, 1 to 2, 1 capacitor. 1 to 4, no capacitor. 1 to 3, no capacitor. 1 to 5, no capacitor. Because only in between that two metal plates, another metal plates are there. Those are not, that is not a capacitor. Next, 2, 3, 1 capacitor. 2, 5, no capacitor. 4, 3, 1 capacitor. Okay. Next, 3, 5, no capacitor. And this value 2, 5 and 4, 5. This is 1 capacitor. Like that we had to take. Understanding? So this is ineffective. Only 2 capacitors will be there. So 2 capacitors means C by 2 series. So A epsilon naught by, so 1 by 2. A epsilon naught by D will be the answer. This is ineffective because it is not connecting to this. Charge will not store in this two. These two are redundant here. So only these two will be there. So that's value 1 by 2 A epsilon naught by D. Like this we will get the values. Understanding? Next. After this, question number 19 you see. What they are asking, capacitor of 8 farad is connected as shown. Charge on the plates of the capacitor is. Okay. This will be 5 volt. This is 1 ohm. This is 4 ohm. This is 20 ohm. This is 8 farad. Okay. Then what is the charge on the plates of the capacitor? That is the question. I am assuming this is AB. I am assuming this is CD. Actually, this question is related to next chapter. In between the resistors, if any capacitor is connected, that capacitor will be ineffective. You remember this. So, here one break is came for the circuit. So, current won't travel through this. Current will travel in this manner only. It will go in this manner only. It won't travel through this. Then, what is the current? I is equal to V by R effective. V value will be 5. These two will be in series. In series, effective resistance will be R1 plus R2. So 4 plus 1. So 5 by 5, current in the circuit will be 1 ampere. Then what is the PD across AB? PD across the second resistor means, what is the current flowing through this 1 ampere? Na? So I into R, this is 1 into, that value is 4, this will be 4 volt. So PD across CD how much? That will be equal to PD across AB. Current will not flow, but potential difference will be there. But this capacitor is not allowing that current to travel through this. Understanding? So VCD is equal to VAB. This is equal to 4 volt. Charge on this is how much? Potential difference is there, na? Charge will be there. Q is equal to C into VCD. 8 into 4. This value 32 coulombs. Because it is in farad, that will be in coulombs. So charge on that 8 farad will be 32 coulombs. Okay. Option for this will be 19. It will be third option. Next, 20. What they are asking, see. Nature of equipotential surface for a point charge is plane with charge on the surface, sphere with charge on the surface, sphere with charge at the center of the sphere, ellipsoid with charge at foci. Third option will be right. Charge is at the center. This will be equipotential surface. This will be another equipotential surface. So equipotential surface is a sphere having charge at the center. Okay. 20, it will be third option. Next, 21 you see. What they are asking? 2 point charges, 3 nanocoulomb and 1 nanocoulomb, are placed 5 centimeter apart. The work done to move the charge B towards A by 1 centimeter. Here at A, at B, here 3 nanocoulomb is there. Here 1 nanocoulomb is there. The distance between them will be 5 centimeter. They decreased this B. They move towards A by 1 centimeter. What is the work done to move that charge? Change in the potential energy you calculate, that will be the answer. Initial PE how much? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R value 5 centimeter. Final potential energy value will be how much? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2. Now the distance is 4 into 10 power minus 2. Now if we work done is equal to change in PE, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught means 9 into 10 power 9. This also we can take common. 3 into 10 power minus 18 by 10 power minus 2 also we can take common 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5. If we calculate this value, finally this is 1.35 into 10 power minus 7 joules. This will be the answer. So 21, fourth option will be the answer. Okay. Next, 22 you see, minimum value of the effective capacitance that can be obtained by combining three capacitors of capacitances 1 picofarad, 2 picofarad and 4 picofarad. Remember, minimum value means always all are connected in the series, you remember. So what we will get here, 1 by C is equal to 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. All are in series. LCM will be 4. Here 4, here 2, here 1. So this will be 7, this will be 4. So C is equal to 4 by 7 picofarad, 22. It will be first option. Next, 23 you see what they are asking. Two spheres of electric charges 2 nanocoulomb and minus 8 nanocoulomb are placed at a distance d apart. If they are allowed to touch each other, what is the new distance between them to get the repulsive force of same magnitude before? Simple question only. See, two spheres are two bodies. Here one body, here one body. What is the charges on them? 2 nanocoulomb minus 8 nanocoulomb. For example, they are separated by some distance d. Okay. Now what they did? They kept in contact. 2 minus 8, total how much? Minus 6. Again they are separated. So charge on each will be minus 3 nanocoulomb. Here also minus 3 nanocoulomb. Separated by some distance d dash. Now also same force is there. Then this d dash value is how much in terms of d? That is the question. Initial force is equal to final force. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 2 into, just take the magnitude n of d square, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 3 into 3 by d dash square. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naughts will cancel. Then d dash square is equal to 9 by 16 d square, isn't it? We are taking this d square to this side, this 16 to the here. So 9 by 16 d square. Then d dash is equal to 3 by 4 into d. That is the new distance. So 23, it will be third option. Next, 24. What they are asking, see. A system of two capacitors of capacitance 2 microfarad and 4 microfarad is connected in series across a potential difference of 6 volt electric charge and energy stored in the system. These two are connected in series. Na? What is the effective capacity? C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. So 8 by 6. This will be 4 by 3 microfarad. Then charge is how much? Q is equal to C into V. 4 by 3. V value is 6 volt. 3 2s 4 will cancel. 4 2s are 8. 8 micro coulomb charge. Energy how much? 1 by 2 CV square. 1 by 2. C value 4 by 3 into 10 power minus 6. V value 6 square. 1 6 will cancel. 2 into 3 is 6. Na? 1 6 it will cancel. 4 into 6 is 24. So this value 24 into 10 power minus 6 joules. 24 microjoules. So option for 24 will be second option. Okay. Next 25 you see. What they are asking, see. 1 kg mass carrying a charge 2 coulomb accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt. Velocity acquired is work done is equal to Ke. So VQ is equal to half mv square. This is 1. This charge is 2. 1 by 2. Mass will be 1. Velocity how much? V square is equal to 4. V is equal to 2 meter per second. 25. It will be second option. Okay, with this we will stop now. We will continue in the next class.